Hi, I'm Lily, and this is part 2 of DIYing my dream girl garage. Today, for the first time ever, I am installing cabinets. I already had my studs marked, so I started off by installing a ledger board with my HART drill driver right where I wanted the bottom of the upper cabinets to hang. The ledger board temporarily holds the weight of the cabinet, so it's much easier to hold up while installing. Using my drill driver again, I put a few cabinet screws into the studs behind the cabinets, making sure they were super secure. I repeated the process again to install the next upper cabinet. I'm installing the two cabinets with a 24-inch gap where I eventually plan to put some pegboard. I then moved on to installing the lower cabinets. Same thing, using my drill driver to put cabinet screws into the wall studs. I had found this butcher block countertop secondhand and it was quite a steal, so I used my same drill driver and nails to secure the countertop onto the cabinet. I switched my interchangeable HART battery over into my brad nailer to install some cabinet end panels for a more polished look. I feel silly for how much I was stressing about this cabinet install because it was actually so easy and only took me about 45 minutes total. The HART tools I used are also currently on sale, so check the link in my bio for more info and stay tuned for part 3.